So guys, I was trying to play Valorant, but I'm getting this error where it says error code VAL57, Val59. So why I'm getting this error Val57? And it says there was an error connecting to the platform. Please restart your game client. And here is the thing guys, even after restarting the Riot game client, I can't able to play the Valorant. Only option is quit the game. Now, to check out whether the game is down or what, I headed over to the down detector right over here, and here you can see guys, well, Valorant is having some outage reports obviously, but not a lot. And oh my goodness guys, take a look at this. Twitter is saying completely different story. Valorant is down for many people. Valorant is down for many people. Here you can see Valorant down, help. Valorant is down. What I'm supposed to be do? Is Valorant down? Oh my goodness guys, just take a look at this, and these are just few minutes ago. Even you can see just 1 minute ago. Honestly, there are many people reporting that Valorant servers are down as of right now, but there are not a lot of people reporting onto the down detector, so that's a strange story. But clearly we can see there is a server connection issue, and people are basically asking, is Valorant just down for me or everybody else in the world? Guys, don't worry, it's down for everybody else in the world. If not in the world, but for a lot of people, Valorant servers are down and people are tweeting about it. Specifically, it's confirmed it's down in Europe, and the reason why you are getting this error code 59 val 59 is the servers are not able to reach to the Riot client is not able to reach the servers, the Valorant servers, and that's the reason you're getting this error code val 59. Now I have tried searching, is there any solution? They have provided any sort of a maintenance schedule or what? Let's check out the Play Valorant Twitter official page, and here right over here you can see guys, there is quite a lot of tweet regarding the game development, but as far as I can see, I didn't found any sort of a tweet regarding whether the game is down, when they are going to fix it, is there any maintenance going on or whatever. Now taking it on to the is the service down, here you can see in India Valorant is down definitely. There are few outage reports as of right now. We can see servers are down and people can't able to sign in, game is crashing, and particularly right here in these particular regions in India, Italy, Portugal, United States, Mexico, the game is down. Also in Vietnam. Once I get any update, I will keep you posted, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys signing out.